Welcome back. Today we're diving into 5 stories that will totally change how you see the world. From mind-bending perspectives to acts of kindness and future tech, each story is packed with surprises. Stick around, one of these might just blow your mind. Let's jump in. Let's start with a story about seeing the world differently. Remember the viral dress, blue and black or white and gold? It wasn't just a meme, it was a lesson in perspective. Our brains interpret colors based on context, and even culture shapes what we see. The Himba tribe in Namibia, for example, can't distinguish blue from green, but spots subtle greens we miss. If color can be so subjective, imagine how our backgrounds shape our beliefs and choices. Perspective isn't just about sight, it's how we interpret everything. That's why empathy matters. Realizing everyone's reality is different helps us connect. Next time you disagree, remember, you might just be seeing things from another angle. Perspective can be a superpower. Studies show that practicing gratitude, just listing 3 things you're thankful for, can make you happier and healthier. Even in tough times, flipping your perspective can unlock new possibilities. Like the story of 2 shoe salesmen. One saw no market, the other saw huge opportunity. Same situation, different outlook. In a world of AI, jobs that require empathy and creativity will always matter. Perspective is power. Use it to make a difference. Now, let's talk about the butterfly effect, how small actions can spark massive change. Take Norman Borlaug. He developed disease-resistant wheat, sparking the Green Revolution and saving over 1 billion lives. His work didn't just help farmers, it transformed entire countries and futures. Or, think of Rosa Parks. Her single act of courage fueled the civil rights movement. Even tiny choices in our lives can ripple out. A smile, a new skill, a helping hand. We rarely see the effects right away, but history proves one person can make a difference. The jobs of tomorrow will reward those who take initiative and spark change. AI can process data, but it can't inspire a movement. That's the power of human action, the ultimate butterfly effect. What small step will you take today? Remember, every big change starts with something small. You might be the butterfly that sets off the next big storm. Never underestimate your impact. Let's explore some hidden wonders of nature you've probably never heard of. Bioluminescent bays like Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico glow neon blue at night, thanks to tiny organisms. In Venezuela, Catatumbo lightning strikes almost nightly, creating epic natural light shows. The Namib Desert's fairy circles, mysterious bear patches, are likely caused by termites and plant competition. And the immortal jellyfish can actually reverse its aging process, starting life over again. Forests have underground fungal networks. Trees talk, share nutrients, and help each other out. These wonders remind us how much we still have to learn. No matter how advanced tech gets, nature's mysteries need human curiosity. Look closer next time you're outside. You might discover something that changes your world. Let's talk about the power of kindness. James Harrison, the man with the golden arm, donated blood for 60 years, saving millions of babies. In Canada, strangers formed a human chain to rescue a family from a sinking car, risking their lives for people they'd never met. Even small acts matter. A teacher's positive notes changed her students' lives. Kindness isn't just big gestures, it's the little things too. Studies show kindness boosts happiness for everyone involved. In a world of AI, jobs that require empathy and care will always matter. Kindness is contagious. One act can spark a chain reaction. What will you do today to make a difference? For our final story, let's peek into the future. It's closer than you think. AI can write music, diagnose diseases, and drive cars, but only humans can create, connect, and adapt. Brain-computer interfaces are letting people control devices with their minds, helping those with paralysis, and more. Renewable energy is booming, with entire cities running on clean power and new jobs emerging. Space exploration is taking off, with private companies planning missions to Mars and beyond. As tech evolves, creativity, empathy, and critical thinking matter more than ever. The future needs people who care, innovate, and dream big. Don't fear the future. Help shape it. Your ideas and compassion are irreplaceable. What a journey! Which story surprised you most? Immortal jellyfish, the golden arm, or the butterfly effect? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share for more inspiration. Until next time, keep being awesome and changing the world, one story at a time.